Over the past few days, we've gotten some big news around traditional finance finally integrating with the world of crypto, with the world of Web3. This is a time we've all been waiting for so long. Now we're seeing traditional finance companies really start exploring ways to utilize the blockchain, utilize crypto. We just saw it on our most recent market update talking about Robinhood's integration. Now we're seeing on Jupiter where you can swap Solana or major coin for an actual tokenized stock. Some really big news. And when we kind of take a look at the overall macro market, we're looking pretty good here, everyone. $107,000, $108,000 Bitcoin over the past 15 days up until actually just yesterday. We were flowing positive with inflows into Bitcoin. Institutions are buying our bags. We love to see it. Checking out Ethereum, it's very strong as well. More green days than red and substantial amount more money. So it's great to see that money is flowing into these ETFs, but we really haven't seen that huge jump to that next level, at least in regards to, let's say, Bitcoin to that $120,000, $125,000 range. And a lot of the people like BlackRock, Fidelity, MicroStrategy, lots of institutions are now buying Bitcoin. We have the state of Texas buying Bitcoin, using it as a reserve for their state reserve, and the prices still just feel stable. Doesn't feel down, doesn't feel bearish, but it's 106, 107, 108,000. When are we going to get to the next leg? Now, a lot of people have been saying that, so who's selling Bitcoin? And a lot of people are saying that the big whales with more than 10,000 Bitcoin, my goodness, who bought Bitcoin between $0 to $700, held on for 8 to 16 years, are really some of the biggest sellers as of right now. I don't think they're doubting Bitcoin, but they're probably taking some profits, which is always smart. You want to take profits when you can, and they're up more money than most of us could even ever dream. Congrats to those buyers, congrats to those sellers, but once they run out, once they stop selling this Bitcoin, there's not OG Bitcoin buyers all over the place. What's going to happen next? I have a feeling that we're going to start seeing more positive inflows. The inflows aren't stopping from institutions and traditional finance into these ETFs in other sectors. We're seeing treasuries literally open every single day, corporate treasuries. I have a feeling we're going to push up for that next leg. Wall Street strategist Tom Lee has been appointed to the chairman of the board of directors of a Bitcoin miner, BitMine Immersion Technologies, starting this past Monday. You know what he's trying to create, what he's aiming to do, exactly what Michael Saylor has done with MicroStrategy, but utilizing Ethereum. We haven't seen this strategy be executed, I don't think, yet at all. BitMine announced a $250 million private placement, implement buying strategy and Ether, which to aim to make its primary treasury reserve asset. This comes after a tons of interest from traditional finance institutions around stablecoins, and many of those run on either Ethereum mainnet or their layer 2. So Tom Lee was on talking about this in depth. He's trying to become the Ethereum MicroStrategy. The ultimate Giga Chad, Michael Saylor, has some competition, but not in the world of Bitcoin, in the world of Ethereum. So what's Tom's plan? Pretty much to buy ETH, hold ETH, and find ways to get more money, more revenue to buy and hold more Ethereum. So what did the market think about it? This is a publicly traded company. It absolutely loved it. Their stock went up over 1,000%. It absolutely soared like a meme coin. Right now, we always talk about meme coins in our private community, NFTs, momentum, where's it at? Traditional finance is taking the spotlight right now. Some of these stocks are competing and starting treasury assets linked to cryptocurrency, just like BitMine, are now absolutely popping off. Traditional finance is getting a taste of crypto. If you like this sort of information, if you want to learn more about what's happening in the crypto world, if that's just with the macros, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, some of the major coins out there, or if you're interested in meme coins, NFTs, Web3 gaming, we're talking about it all. Check out our link down below. We'd love to see you in there.